दिस इज़ आर्यन पारिक और आज आप मेरे चैनल पे हैं जिसका नाम है डेली चैलेंजेस। और आज हम एक बहुत ही स्पोर्टी लग्जरी मिड रेंज सेडान की बात करेंगे जिसका नाम है स्कोडा रैपिड। और ये आप स्कोडा रैपिड राइडर का एडिशन देख रहे हैं जो बेस मॉडल आता है। एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी स्पोर्टी कार एंड ऑल ऑफ द सेगमेंट्स इंक्लूडिंग मारुति सियाज, Verna. This is a very wonderful car. This is a rider model. It is 4 liter 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine which produces 153 newton meter of torque and it's 103 bhp. So today I am reviewing this car because recently there is a new car launched which is 1.0 liter TSI engine of the Skoda Rapid. So I don't basically like that engine because it's a 3-cylinder engine, and obviously you know that company claims that it is having more power, but there is no comparison in this Skoda Rapid 4-cylinder engine. So let's start with reviewing this car. So it has 15 inches simple wheels. This is all stock wheels. I have nothing changed in this, and they are the new seat covers inside this, and it has a boot space of 460 liters. Let's view the boot space. It's a very large boot. So let's start with the cabin. So this is the driver's cabin. It has telescopic steering wheel, a simple system, music system, and it's come with a beige and black combination of colors. This is how the odometer looks. Let's go to the back profile. So in the back profile you can see it's just simple. I've just installed the new seat covers. They provide you with the new pillows. Company provide you with the rider logo on it. And according to me this is one of the best car in the segments, and now which is of course it is been discontinued. Now let's go and see the engine. This is 1.6 liter MPA multiple injection system, and it produces 103 bhp, 1598 horsepower. This is a very simple and very powerful engine. Obviously Skoda is known for its power, and if the person are basically if they are the lovers of car who need speed, power, then this car is the best. It has a mileage of 15.3 which is company claim, but I actually get 16. It's up to you how you drive the vehicle. So this looks a very stunning car according to me, and when you just try it in the second and third gear, it produces a mass power. I haven't driven till now BS6, but yeah, I'm sure that this would be better than that because this is 4-cylinder engine. I know it produces more power, but this is the car, baby. This is the car in the mid segment. And obviously second point is that I have got this car at 8.5 lakh rupees on road price. And if you want to know how I get that, just comment me and I will tell you how on road price is less for me. So next time whenever you buy a car, you will also get a low on road price. Thank you everyone.